Come on a bike ride with me. Okay, so I'm getting out of the garage right now. It's my bike. Beautiful. Ow. But yeah, it's so bright. Ow. Time to turn. Ugh. Beautiful. I just turned onto a different street. I'm gonna go through like a little cul-de-sac. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna circle around and then I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home now. Okay, so I just got home and that was probably maybe like a 20-minute ride. So yeah.